Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable private browsing on Safari web browser. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. I'm doing it on an iPad, but you can follow the same steps on your iPhone. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to open your Safari web browser on your device. Once you open that one, all you need to do is to tap on this icon. And once you tap on that one, as you can see, you can find that there are two tabs open and there is the option private. Once you tap on the private option, they say turn on lock private browsing. So you can tap on this one and they will need your Touch ID to unlock this feature. And once you do so, as you can see now, private browsing has been enabled. So guys, here is, they mention it that Safari is designed with privacy in mind by preventing tracking by default. Private browsing adds additional privacy protection for all your private tabs. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, and the autofill that you use for your information. So guys, this is how you can enable private browsing on Safari. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.